everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's video, we will be learning how to change your username on your CoinStats account. In order to change your username on CoinStats, go ahead and open the CoinStats application on your mobile device and log into your account like you normally do. After you're inside the home page, tap on the More button at the bottom right-hand corner. Inside the More menu, click on your username at the top and tap on Username on the Profile section. Enter a new username for your account, erasing the current one. After you do that, click on Save. And now, you will be able to change your username on your CoinStats account. That's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.